You need to be doing this right now, today. I'm gonna go do it myself. This one thing is probably the biggest problem in the aftermath of a fire, wildfire, tornado, hurricane, whatever catastrophe that levels your house. This one thing is a huge problem. Guys, we have been watching the wildfires just take out LA. Here in Wyoming, we are having a very similar problem. Just a few months ago, we were set up to go evacuate. And this is one thing that I haven't done that I need to go do right now at this house. Did it at my old house, but what is that? Go through your house and take pictures or videos of everything in your house. Because if your house is totaled, that way you have a record of everything in your house. And when you go to make your insurance claim, you can look at that video and remember what you had. Open your cabinets, open your drawers, go through your garages, your basement, your attic, everything outside. In the case of a wildfire, I have a ton of garden stuff. I probably have $5,000 worth of garden stuff, maybe even $10,000 worth of garden stuff that if we had a wildfire come through here, I would want replaced. Take pictures of all of that stuff. Don't forget to open your jewelry box, your special books, if you have anything like that that's special to you. All of those things you will need to add up when your house is burned to the ground. So this is Tara's tip for today. Go today and film everything or take a picture of everything in your house. If you want to learn more about preparing for emergencies, go watch this video next, livingonadime.com.